Hi, my name is Sean Perry. I'm with VintageRock.com, and we're here with Rob Sample of Paradigm Electronics. How you doing today, Rob?
I'm doing really good. It's the first morning of the show. I'm doing fine.
Okay, so now what are we going to be looking at here? You got a bunch of new products in here.
A bunch of new products, and our Sub 1 and Sub 2 are two new high-end subwoofers. And then on our Anthem side of our product line, our electronics, we also have our first source device, which is a Blu-ray player that plays everything. I mean, it plays CDs and DVDs and Blu-rays and stuff, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to take a look over at this subwoofer over here. Tell us a little about this.
Well, it's called the Sub 1, and it is the smaller of the two new subs that we're showing. The Sub 2 is a larger version of this. This is 3,400 watts peak power, 1,700 watts RMS, and it's comprised of 6 8-inch woofers. As you can see from there, you can see 2 on this one side, there's 2 on this other side, and then there's 2 in the back. That creates a vibration canceling design. The outward firing woofers like that cancels all vibration, so you can set a martini glass with a martini and it won't even ripple. And it has extreme output, as you can imagine, with 1,700 watts RMS. It's got a lot of power, and it's a very compact size as far as high output subwoofers go. It's not huge. Now, its larger brother has 6 10-inch woofers and 4,500 watts RMS. Yes, you heard me, 4,500 real RMS watts. We're not faking these watts. This is verifiable. It's the most powerful sub on the market. And it's not a whole lot larger than this, Perry. It's only maybe about 5 inches taller and a little bit rounder. And it's quite stunning. We're demoing it in the other room. I hope you have time to take a listen to it.
Okay. Now, as I was telling you, I have just a regular consumer level Sony player, and I got a $100 subwoofer. Right. So please tell me, what's the difference between this and just some average little subwoofer that you can buy for $100?
Well, and you do get, as you spend more money on a product, you're going to get more reliability, better quality components inside, and what hopefully that buys you is also more performance. And what that means is it'll go lower in frequency response. Most subwoofers, especially in the $100 category, really aren't subwoofers. They don't go really any lower than an average loudspeaker will. They just have the bass off to the side a little bit. These are true subs, of course. These go below 20 hertz. They will shake the house.
I was just going to ask, they'll shake the rafters.
They will shake the rafters. And that may not be the goal of a lot of people, obviously, but even at low volumes, the sound is clearer, less distorted, and gives you a more realistic sound. One of the things that I think the people who come to VintageRock.com, they're obviously music lovers. And for me, I'm a music lover first. We all are here at Paradigm Electronics. Accurate reproduction of what the producers and the musicians wanted on vinyl or on CD. That's what they were after, and we're after reproducing it as accurately as possible. There's no way in God's green earth a $100 Sony subwoofer is going to give you that. And so what we're after is at various levels. I mean, this is for a high-end system with expensive components all the way around, but we also make components for $400 subwoofer that has in its price range, very accurate bass with the kind of output that you would expect to put, with components in that price point. And then our subs go all the way up to $7,500 at that point. So.
And is that the price of this one?
No, this one is, I'm going to cheat here and look because I don't even know yet. I want to say I know the top of the line is $7,500, and I want to say this is $4,500. Yeah.
And is this currently shipping?
No, it's not. That's why I'm still. We're still working out some production details, and it'll be shipping soon, hopefully by the end of January.